not scary unless you're outside. If you're outside.
Oh my gosh.
If you're outside next time, you better run inside. That's scary. Look, your mom. How sweet it is.
Oh my gosh.
Not scary, it's actually annoying.
Mande. Oh my god.
That was scary. That was freaked me out. So that one was loud. That one was loud.
I was sleeping with my mom.
That was awesome. That's not scary, huh? Yeah, you beat up like me.
Lucky, I wish I was you, but I want to be good.
It's starting to rain now. Yeah, once you hear that big old lightning, you know it's raining.
I guess it was close by.
I don't know, it's like right here, Paul, man. Yeah, it's raining. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad.
But didn't the weatherman say it was gonna rain?
Yesterday.
That was 2 days ago.
I can't even go to the restroom, man. I'm pooping it. Can't poop in this lightning. It's gonna get used to watching the noises. See the lightning, Mom? See the lightning?
Oh, it is raining?
Yeah,
It's lightning.
Really bad lightning, Mom. Look at this. Look at this lightning. It was right there, Mom. The lightning was like shh.
The line got.
Yeah, lightning, man. Look, just look, Mom. Just look at it. Look at it.
Hey, Alex, this window.
Oh my gosh.
So awesome.
Alex, this window over here.
Close that one down there.
Alex, this
Close that one.
what's the bed? Oh, it's really dark.
Oh.
You're not scared?
This will be quick. That is fine.
I'll be here right next.
Oh my gosh. Christopher, you scared me. Oh my god, this would be a big one.
Why are they fighting up here?
You've seen it pretty often.
So get used to it.
I'm too scared.
You turn off the TV and stuff. How about me?
Baby doesn't know what's lying. I've done that.
It's so awesome. My life changed there.
Oh, I saw that one.
I